We get calls from folks that say, hey, I really want to pursue my workers' comp claim, but I have some things in my past, I have some things in my background that I really don't want to come out. It's nobody's business. I don't really want to go through big discovery and litigation. Can we keep that confidential? And the answer in certain circumstances is yes, and certain circumstances is no. We will always be mindful of the fact, and we always ask very, very detailed questions when you hire us, or when just preliminarily to hiring us. We have a very detailed packet that we go through with you, and you're going to have to answer some questions for us, but that's going to go no further than us finding out about it, meaning me and my paralegal and my legal assistant, so that we can get your files opened. And then it's a matter of how do we handle the case. So let's say there's a person who's had prior psychological treatment that they really do not want to come out. It has nothing to do with their arm injury, and there's no basis for the insurance company to know about it, and I understand that all very well. Now, when we pursue medical care in a workers' comp case, we're going to explain to you that the doctors may ask certain questions. Most of the time, orthopedists are not going to necessarily ask about psychiatric treatment in the past, and I'm using that as an example. If you're on certain medications, that would probably come out. But again, if we're not pursuing psychiatric care because of your arm injury at work, then we will try to put up a big wall and not allow the insurance company to pursue your prior psychological records, as an example. Okay? So every particular situation is different. Different people have different things that they want to keep confidential. Maybe it's a prior divorce and litigation, and it doesn't need to come out. And why should it come out? And we understand that. Maybe it's a prior medical procedure that is nobody's business. Understood. So we will deal with your case very specifically. We will tell you what type of limitations we feel might be put on us in trying to pursue this case for you if you don't allow us to do X, Y, and Z. And together, we will come up with a game plan that we can take the case to this point. We can take the case and try to pursue X, Y, and Z for you. But if we have to go into litigation, we may all agree that's not something you want to do. And so we will try to stop it at that point and try to get it settled or resolved before we take that next step. We're not going to do anything without your permission. That's what you can take away from this. So give us a call if there's something that's concerning you, but yet you have a workers' comp case that you want to pursue. Don't just not pursue it because you're worried about the thing in your past. We'll try to help you. Thanks.